Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Java for the sake of playing your Minecraft. So if you want to download Optifine or anything, you're going to require Java. Even for Minecraft, at least you're going to need Java. So to download Java, I'm going to show you in this video. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Let's get into the video. So to download Java, open your Chrome, type in Java download. So you can see this. It says Java download for Windows. If it says something else, by the way, I don't know what that is. Just follow this. This is a website. Press on the first one. Now you can see, there's so much license and everything inside this. Screw all that. Just press on download Java. It is downloaded. Press on the one. If you don't know where to press on that, just it'll be here or show in folder, and you can go search it in your downloads. Press on that. Press on yes. Now it's gonna give you, this part. Welcome to Java, all that. You can change the destination folder. I don't want to because I don't really care. So I'm going to press on install. Now it's not done yet. Don't worry. It'll take a bit time. You see that? That is a bit time. So I just found out Java is oracles. I never knew that, but still. It'll take, depending on your internet speed and your this thing. Yeah, that's it. Now the Java is downloaded. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.